Lifestyle on Wheels is brought to you by The views and opinions expressed by the host and the guests do not necessarily reflect the show or the network. For your comments and suggestions, you may email us at motorcyclenewsmagazine@gmail.com.
Good afternoon, mga televiewers. My name is Titan,
And I'm Joel.
and welcome
To
Lifestyle on Wheels.
So guys, thank you again for being with us this Saturday. Ano ba meron sa atin ngayon, bro?
Marami tayong pag-uusapan ngayong maghapong ito. Nandyan, ang Touratech Philippines.
And of course, we have the Honda Cars media farewell nila doon sa president ng Honda Cars.
And of course, para sa ating motorcycle news, ginanap dyan yung Diamond Motor Supercross Race 1.
At sa ating car side, ito po yung bagong Honda HR-V.
Wow! And of course, para sa ating motorism, kasama pa rin natin sina Pat, Borch at Ratsky ng Ride Along Motorcycle Tour Philippines. Kaya mga guys, wala maglilipat ng channel at hitik na hitik ang 30 minutes na pagsasama natin dito lang sa Lifestyle on Wheels.
So guys, ito naman sa ating po motorcycle news. Nagpunta tayong Taytay, pare.
Of course, dyan yan sa may MX Visaya Fairgrounds. Alam mo ba, ito yung isa sa pinaka-aabang event ngayong taon.
Yes, ito yung Diamond Motors Supercross Race 1. So, panoorin natin to guys.
Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Diamond Motorcross. This is 2007 Supercross. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin our very own Mayor Joey Cavula.
Because we want to make the sport famous, we want to make people know that this is a fun sport.
Boy kain eh. Boy kain.
Can you believe that?
Congratulations, dear.
Guys, at video will be one. Here, Carolina, we don't have a receiver.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are the fastest off-road motocross riders in the country.
Yo, galing talaga ng event nila Pastor Sam, no?
Oo nga naman, kita mo naman na, Papi. Talaga nagliliparan.
Si Mr. Glenn Aguilar.
Yon, The Rocket
The
himself.
Rocket.
And of course, hindi lang basta mga magagaling na mga kasama na karerista yung mga nandun,
Yeah.
no? At
Pati mga bata.
mga bata. Alam mo, at early age, na-expose na itong mga bata to sa larangan ng motorsports.
Oo, kasi sino pa ba magtuturo sa atin yan kundi si Pastor Sam?
Oo nga, talagang saludo kami sa iyo, Pastor Sam, pagdating mo sa pag-mentor or pag-nurture
Yes.
ng mga batang ito.
At hindi lang naman yung motocross yung ano dyan eh. Pati yung bands pagkatapos, may tugtugan yan.
Wow! So, isipin mo yun all-in-one event.
Yep.
Diyan lang yan, sa Diamond Motocross Supercross Race 1.
Yan. Kaya next time po, pag may event na ganito, sabihan po namin kayo sa amin po mga Facebook and social medias para ma-attend naman po kayo.
So, on behalf of Lifestyle on Wheels, congratulations
Yep.
to the all riders who participated on that event.
O nga, so next time, sa Race 2, sana po makasali na kayo.
Kaya makita-kita tayo dyan sa MX Misaya ulit.
Thanks guys.
Kita mo naman to, Papa Joel, no? Tapos na naman ang episode natin nga pong
Yes, ganun talaga. Pag nag-i-enjoy bro, parang napaka-exit ng oras.
Oo nga pero huwag kayong malulungkot, mga televiewers. So magbabalik po ang Lifestyle on Wheels next week. Dito lang po sa PTB4.
Every Saturdays po yan, ng 2:30 p.m.
And of course, bago tayo maghiwalay-walay, nais lang muna namin pasalamatan ang aming mga sponsors. At ngayon naman, i-follow nyo lang kami at i-like ang aming mga social media pages.
And kung gusto nyo mapanood ang mga past episodes, dun lang po sa www.motorcyclonews.com.
At kung meron kayong mga suggestion, mga comments, huwag na kayong mag-atubili, mag-email lang sa amin sa motorcyclenewsmagazine@gmail.com. So fellow televiewers, this is Titan,
I'm Joel.
and this is your #1 motoring lifestyle show on television. Lifestyle on Wheels.
How old are you?
7.
How old are you?
7.
Would you like to thank your sponsors?
Yeah.
Okay, thank them.
Lifestyle on Wheels is brought to you by